Okay, students. Now we learn new topic of this lesson. It is lattice. It is closely packed. Okay, so here suppose we take one atom in spherical shape. It is called atom, molecule, or particle. So here it is called also constituent particle. And the middle point of this atom it is center point. Okay, so in lattice we take only center point. It means in unit cell. Okay, when we form lattice, so there is only we arrange center point of the atom. Okay, so now what is lattice, that we see here, the regular arrangement of constituent particle in 3D is called lattice, or regular arrangement of points is called lattice. Okay, so here we arrange some center point of atom in this situation. Okay, it form 3D dimension. So here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. Then second row I arrange here. Okay, for second, in second row, first center point of atom I arrange between these first two. Okay, as like I arrange first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then third row I arrange as like first row, and fourth row I arrange as like second row. So it is this regular arrangement of point is form lattice. After then we use this center point to form 3D dimensional unit cell. Okay, so now we see what is unit cell. So here unit cell, it means the smallest 3D unit which can form lattice after repetition unit. So here whichever regular arrangement of point, okay, in this we form 3D unit cell. Okay, by joining this center point of atom and we form 3D unit cell. Okay, see here I joined. Okay, so like that 3D unit cell we form here. After then again we repeat it, then it form big unit, a big lattice. So like that it repetition again and again you form big lattice of the unit cell. As like in construction we use whichever that bricks, one by one we repeat it and we form a big wall, that is called lattice. Okay, so here it is first, then it is second unit cell. Okay, it is lattice point. And it is in 3D dimension. Okay, so here this center point of atom, here arrange atom like that at every corner. Okay, so now we learn different type of unit cell. Okay, and that we learn one by one. Okay. Okay.